Let's talk about sizing designs on the machine. So there's a couple things you need to be aware of. So all the built-in designs or a design that you've brought in has the ability to be sized 20% up and 20% down. But what I want you to do is watch the stitch counts, because right now this design is 2,500 stitches. With the design selected, you can size it two ways. You can touch and drag a corner and you'll see the new size at the top. And so I can go 20% smaller than the original and 20% bigger. So if I leave it at the bigger size, what's the stitch count? It's only 2,500. That's the safe size of spreading stitches out that much. And vice versa, if I'm pushing them together, that's before they get really too dense and they're on top of each other. Might even sound like your machine is kind of punching through maybe a really tightly stitched area in the first place, and now you're making it even tighter. So what if you wanted to actually have the stitch count change, or you wanted to make it actually much bigger than 20% up or down? That is where you want to go to the Husqvarna Viking's website and download the free sizing program. You're going to find it with the Premier Plus 2 is what is currently available for you to download. And then at that software, and you can do it on both a Mac and a PC, you can bring in a design and size it to the biggest hoop that you own. So for example, if you wanted it the 360 by 200, you can make that design all the way up, and the stitch count will probably go as high as maybe 7,000 to 10,000 as that design fills in that entire area. So definitely utilize the tools that are provided for you for proper sizing, but in a pinch, or if you just need it a little smaller, a little bigger, do it right there on screen.